Alright, today we are drawing an arm from the front view. Let's start with a loose sketch, just getting the overall flow down. It's one of those parts that's easy to overlook, but once you get the hang of it, it makes a big difference. Don't worry about details yet, just let your hand move freely. When you block in the shoulder, keep it round, not too bulky. The upper arm should have a slight outward curve, just enough to feel natural. Now the elbow. This is the key point. If it's out of place, the forearm can feel off. Be careful. From there, let the forearm flow down smoothly. Think of it like a tapering shape with a bit of snap to it. As we reach the wrist, don't make it too thin. Keep the transition gentle. This part can feel a little weird while you're drawing it, but that's totally normal. Take a step back for a second. Looking at the whole thing from a bit of distance can really help you spot balance issues. Once the proportions start feeling right, the drawing becomes a lot more fun. Now I'll start refining the lines, just gradually cleaning things up. And if something looks off, no problem, just adjust it. That's part of the process. Alright, that's our front view done. It's a subtle skill, but super useful when it comes to drawing figures. If you like to see the full speed version of this video, feel free to check it out on my Patreon. The link's in the description below. I also share exclusive artwork and behind the scene content there, so take a look if you're interested. Alright, so in the next video, we'll cover the arm from the side view. See you then, take care.